Okay, so let's hop into this cute version of Godzilla Earth. All right, we're gonna start with a line right here at the kind of top of his snout. Right, you got to remember this version of Godzilla has he looks like a big rock monster. You know, obviously that's why he's Godzilla Earth. He's made it's kind of merged with the Earth, taking attributes for the Earth. Down right here for that front of that snout, I'm gonna find his brow on the far end over here. On the far end, so I'm gonna pull up. It's gonna be pretty square too. Line in. If you're a Godzilla Earth fan, by the way, say what's up in the comments. Curve right here for the top of his head. Gonna go over here for his other eye, Godzilla Earth's eye. Sorry about that. I gotta enunciate a little bit more. I'm a little bit frazzled right now. Line right here. Okay, like so. Godzilla Earth has, like, how do you say this? See the curve right here, but he's gonna have no pupil. That's the way he kind of is. And I might even darken this line a bit right here. Really deep set eye. Right on. Down over here a little bit. And he's got this jaggedy smile. So we're gonna exaggerate it for like a, cute effect. Down over here. Up. Down over here, like a seesaw. Or like a, almost like a pumpkin. Like a Halloween pumpkin. One more here. And let's pull up over there for the side. Like, we're going to merge into the side of his cheek. Okay, now we're going to have his mouth open. By the way, don't forget to hit the like. It really matters, when you like cute stuff or like stuff in general. Basically, I'm going to draw more of these. I'll draw every version of Godzilla cute if you guys want. I've already drawn a couple of the original Godzilla, but I'll draw a few of every version maybe, or other characters, but just let me know through your likes. That's going to really matter. And now we're going to do that same seesaw shape upward. Like so. And we want the back of the mouth over here. So right there. And we're going to fill it in. Let's put a line right here underneath the eye. Little thin line, thinner line. And let's put a line right here for the nostril. Just a little line right there. Right on. Let's pull down a bit more. And now let's find the bottom jaw. Pretty big, huge lower jaw right here. So right here. Same thing. Kind of like, again, a rocky structure. Like so. I want a little bit more of a point over here at the edge of the chin. So I'm going to do that. Like so. Line right here. A couple of lines. Thin lines. For showing that texture. Alright, but don't worry, we'll do more of those in a bit. So let's go over here. Curve over here for his back. Line over here. And now let's find his arm. He's got a pretty big arm. He's a pretty muscular arm right there. So 2 bumps on that side. Gonna put an elbow over here. Curve out for his hand. Go over here. Curve out for the upper side of his forearm. and then pull up. All right. Let's go over here and put a claw hand right there for his paw right there. Gonna go here to this front, pulling down. Curve underneath. Go over here now, and I'm gonna go to find his leg. We're gonna get to the spikes on his back in a second, so be patient, stay with me, we'll do it together. Curve over here for his leg, down. Front over here, back. Find a spike over here in the back, up. And up over here. And then curve line here for the back of the leg there, and then pull up. So far so good. We're on our way, drawing this cute version of Godzilla Earth. Alright, now let's go over here to the other side, and we're going to draw his far hand coming around the corner there. So down here. Claw hand on that side. And we're going to draw the far side leg. Down over here, back. Up, up, right there. I'm going to go right here underneath. Pull underneath, up. We're going to go kind of around to the tail area now. And right here for that tail. So far so good. We're going to kind of push into the spikes now on his back. So his spikes are a little bit different than normal Godzilla, where I think these spikes look a little bit more like, how do you say? They look a little bit more like leaves. Like, that's the smaller one right there. We could throw a line in the center of that, and then a couple of lines radiating. Over here now. Like so. Kind of that center point of like that leaf, right? It's not really a leaf, but... And then thin line over here, radiating out. Think of it like, again, crumbled leaves. Same thing, let's draw another one. That probably the peak right there, that'd be the biggest one, I think. Like so, drawing the thin portion of that. And then let's keep it going. This is going to be a little bit smaller, but not by much. Let's keep going over here before we do. Like there. And let's see. We're going to make them smaller as they go down here. Like so. Alright. And then you can draw some in the background here too. So like right there, behind there. And maybe you can fill that in. Right on. Pretty good. Going good so far. Line over here. Maybe fill it in over here. Give it like some layers. Don't forget, by the way, hit the Cute Drawing ebook. If you want to learn how to draw anything cute, I give you a free ebook that I used to sell, by the way. But I made a new version of that. And I'm putting it completely for free. It's in the description. So like when you think of something like how do you draw something cute, it is proportion. That's the biggest difference. Like, like even this, right? Smaller body, bigger head. These proportions, I make a little chart for you, and I put them there for you to go use. So like basically, I do all the work for you as far as like the visuals, like all the proportions. All you got to do is look at that chart, and then you'll know it. So absolutely go take a look at that chart. It is in the free ebook. And the ebook's in the description if you can find it. It's my gift to you. It basically gives you all the shortcuts, and like I said, there's no reading or anything like that. It's really, really simple stuff. So let's go over here and maybe draw the thin lines here for the front of the body there. All right, on. And he's got a little crackling going on because he is Godzilla Earth. So maybe you can throw like thin lines here. Very thin. Make sure they're thin because then they'll be secondary. All right? He's got little craggly stuff all over the place because he's made of dirt, really. I mean, he looks like he's made of dirt. But it can't interfere with all the thick lines we already got, right? So everything's going to be secondary. Very thin so it doesn't distract the viewer. Right here, maybe on the side of the head right there. These thin lines are additive. They're tertiary. Same thing over here on the face a bit. Um, Again, these lines, they're all additive. And like again, you can just throw them around here. You don't even have to add them either, to be honest, because the character is pretty, I think, solid on its own. But it's up to you. I would definitely, like I said, fill in the darks in the back of that so it looks like it's layered right there. And that is Godzilla Earth, a cute version of Godzilla Earth. If you like this, hit the like, and I'm going to draw way more cute stuff if you want. But I need you to respond to it. Like, go like, hey, how's it going? Blah, 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 in the comments section. And yeah. Anyways, that's Godzilla Earth, cute version.